Hello friends, welcome to House of Tech English. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add or remove apps from dock in your Mac. It doesn't matter if you're using MacBook Air, MacBook Pro, iMac or Mac Mini, the steps are going to be same. I'm going to guide you through each and every step, but before that, if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Let's start the video. Now, first of all, let me tell you why it is important to add application to dock. See, if you're working on a particular application on daily basis, then it is always better to add that app to dock because you can directly access it and eventually it will save your time. So how can you add application to dock? The process is simple. You just have to go and select apps or Launchpad. See, if your Mac is running on macOS Tahoe or macOS 26, then you will get an option of apps. But if your Mac is running on previous or older OS version like macOS Sonoma or macOS Sequoia, then you will be able to see Launchpad option over here. So either you can select app or Launchpad and you will get a pop-up screen like this. Over here, you will be able to see all the applications which are present in your Mac. And if you want to add a specific app to dock, then just simply point your cursor over there, click and hold that app and drag it to dock like this and leave it. Now you can see we have added message application to dock. So this is one way of doing it. Another way is if you're not able to see Launchpad or apps option over here, then you can simply go to Finder. In Finder, go and select applications, and again you will be able to see all the apps over here. If you want to add anything, click and hold it, drag it like this and leave it in dock. So this is how simple it is to add application to dock. Now suppose any application which is present in dock but you are not using it, then how to remove it? There are again multiple ways. First way is click and hold that app and move it to bin like this and leave it. So the application will be removed from dock. It is not deleted, because if I open apps, I am still able to see freeform application over here, which I have removed just now. You can see freeform is here. So we are just removing the app from dock. We are not deleting it. So this is one way of doing it. Another way is just select the app, right click over there, go to options, and here you get an option of remove from dock. So if you tap on that, again the application will be removed from dock, but it is still present in apps or Launchpad. So yes, these are the multiple ways to add or remove apps from dock. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you all in the next one. Thank you.